Hello and welcome to the classroom. In this video today, I'm going to talk to you about the vowel people. So when you're teaching a child to read, you have to teach them the vowels. I have a little song that I usually teach to go along with this. I say A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So why are these 5 letters so special? Because every word must have them, must have one of them or more than one of them. So that's why the vowels are so important. Your children are going to see them in all words. So we really want to work hard to get those vowel sounds learned. So I have created years ago when teaching my own child how to read the vowel people. And here they are. So you can see what's unique about these is each one of these little vowel people have the letter incorporated into the picture, and the picture shows the sound. For example, here is my friend A. My friend A says, ah, 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 as in achoo. And I always get the kids to pretend they're sneezing in their elbow. Ah, 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 achoo. So the head of this little girl looks like letter A. So hopefully when they see an A, it'll remind them of my friend A, and they'll remember A says, ah. And here's my friend, Old Man E. Old Man E can't hear very well. When you speak to him, he's going to say, eh? What'd you say, Sonny? Eh? You can see that Old Man E's ear looks like the letter E, and E does kind of look like an ear. So hopefully when your child sees that letter, it will remind them of Old Man E. They can practice by putting their hand on their ear, eh, eh, and that'll help. That's just another way to reinforce that sound when they have to act it out. Well, this is my friend I. My friend I loves icky sticky lollipops, but when he eats lollipops, he gets so icky and sticky and says, eh, eh. And you can see that the lollipop looks like letter I. So make them do this, eh. Then next we have my friend O. My friend O has a sore throat. He goes to the doctor and says, ah, and I get them to do that. Open your mouth and say, ah. Our mouth looks like letter O, and so does my friend O's mouth. So hopefully when they see an O, that'll remind them that O says, ah. Then finally we have you. You ate too many sweet treats and now he has a tummy ache and says, uh, uh, you can see that his tummy looks like the letter U, and U says, So if you'd like to get a copy of these Vowel People stick puppets, then check the link below. I would love for you to have them. This is one of the big keys to learning how to read and to read well. I'll see you in another video. Please be sure to please comment and tell me what other videos you'd like to see. Are you having any struggles with your little reader? I'd love to help and come alongside you. I'm adding to this library of learning resources, so make sure you subscribe. Thanks, everyone.